What's happening, you guys? Happy Friday. Good to be here. Good to be here with you. What a crazy day, bro. Every time I jump on the stream, like, another crazy day for gold. Like, it's just out of control in 2025. Out of control in the best way possible, though. So I've got a pretty small range here that I've marked out. What up, Kitch? I'm doing amazing. Jubes over here from TikTok. Amazing. So check this out. Pretty straightforward. You guys can see my areas of interest. I'm pretty interested in a break past either of these areas. I'm skeptical on buys above here. I would rather it up here. Right, I would rather it up here. But I think we've got some decent range here. So I'm going to put my zone here. If we get a break past this, I think we've got clean range here to the left. So that's why my zone's here. I'm interested in this area. What up, gang? What up? You only trade gold? Only gold. Kelvin, what up, my dude? Yep, only gold. I play around with Bitcoin a little bit, but I wouldn't consider myself somebody that seriously trades Bitcoin. Right, I play around with it a little bit. Like I caught an fucking insane trade on it last night, like really late. I stayed up really late for the Trump. I was expecting. I posted in the Discord. I actually caught this fucking entire move here. Like it just kept going. But I didn't get as much as you would think because I actually got in early. I originally got in around here, and this took me out here, and I re-entered about here, right? So yes, I ended in profit, but because I got taken out the first time. But who cares about that? We're here for gold, my dudes. We are here for gold. Can you please add price levels on the line? Ooh, no, because I don't think you should worry about the price levels. Because I'm not marking it out for the price levels. It's just that range. How was your morning? Well, it's actually 6 p.m. here for me, but I'm doing amazing, you guys. I'm doing absolutely phenomenal. So we've got the market cornered here, right? We've got these candles cornered right here for this London session. We've obviously had insane volume through the Asia sesh. I'm not counting out volume. I think we'll get some more volume. So let's just be patient over here, my brothers. As soon as Trump started talking, bro, it was fucking wild because you know that Trump's pro fucking crypto, right? So I was like, I just want to see. I think it's going to go up, and it's obviously a terrible way to go into the market is be like, I think. I personally believe. I never. That's why I don't play with crypto. Crypto is so like, oh, like this could happen and that could happen. Where when I trade gold, it's like purely technicals. But good to be here with you guys. As usual, if anyone's got any analysis, drop it in the Discord here and we'll pull it up. Dean over here caught this sell. I guess that was last night, was it? But yeah, cool. I'll put some text here. For what I'm looking for. Sells below, as usual. Closure. Nothing means anything until a candle closes, my brothers and sisters. I think we can all agree with that. What the fuck? Oh, I know what's going on. No, I don't. Okay, I guess it's all fucking mixed up. Sells below and buys above, my dudes. What do you think about retracement for a long? To what level? 2725. Oh, fuck me. That's very far, my bro. That's extremely far. Like, it's all good and it's all well and good to think like that, but we've got to think for this session. Like, we want to get a move in this session, so that's why I isolate what's closest to us in this session. It's kind of looking like it's performing a bit of a head and shoulders, but who gives a shit? Like, I don't have a bias today. If anything, my bias is bearish, but we'll see. Let's see what the market has in store for us. Exactly. Let's just do the usual thing, which is react, not predict. And that's all. I think that's a good idea. What up, Vaughn? What up, Carolina? Carolina, see, I'll fucking say your name right now. Carolina, we don't fuck... I listen, I pay attention. How long you normally trade for? How long do you normally trade at your skill level? What do you mean by that? What do you mean by that, my dude? But see here, and I say this all the time, the old me would have taken a sell there. I go, man, this is a strong level. It's high volume time. Nah, this is definitely going to go this time. Right? And now my stop loss is like triggered. That's why we always wait for candle closures. What up, Caspers? Ayamga? Oh, shit the bed. All right, so it's Friday, last day of the week. No FOMO, you guys. Where is ChatGPT? Do you know most traders lose on Fridays and Mondays? Why do they lose on a Monday? Because they've been waiting all week. They're dying to get into the market and then take impulsive, shitty trades. Why do they lose on a Friday? Probably because they had a shit week and they want to get their money back on a Friday. So they go in not in a clear mindset, but in a revenge mindset. What up, Zeke? Oh shit! Get your levels marked, my dude. Then you don't forget to take off. Oh shit! Thank you for reminding me, bro. I deleted it, but it's still there. Keeps coming back. But yeah, 3rd of January, 3rd of February, we'll have another giveaway. What up, Dillawa? Peanut. I'm already in a buy. Okay. The sound is not working. I don't think your speakers are working, my dude. I think that's the issue if we really break it down to the technical side of it. What up, Laura? If we really get into the nitty-gritty, I don't like to use that term. But sometimes I'm forced to do things I don't want to do. What time is it? 6:15 for me. 6:07. Big deal. Big deal, wah. But yeah, what are you guys looking at? Anyone got any analysis over here? Did we pull up this just before? Oh, let's see what John's looking at over here. Oh, this is all yesterday. This is all yesterday. Okay. What up, CT? James, I came here for the gold. I came here for gold tips, but stayed for your golden personality. Okay, that's good to hear. This stream deserves its own precious metal. I appreciate that anyway. I'm shorting this morning. Okay, fair enough. I'm going to wait for some more confirmation over here, gang. And that's it. That's the name of the game for me when I'm on the markets. Just wait for that clear confirmation. You know, something I can look at here is the fact that we've had 3 30-minute candles come down. 1, 2, 3. One thing I noticed straight away is their bodies are getting progressively smaller. I may be interested if this flips and closes like this. If this flips and closes like this, the next 1 week's down, I'll 100% take a buy about there before we even get to here. But I find it hard to believe that that will happen. It's very rare the market prints something really pretty for you, but we'll see. We'll see. Anything can happen. What is the best time frame to draw a trend line on Bitcoin? Depends if you're looking for a swing trade or a scalp. They all. So if I look at Bitcoin, I've actually got a trend line here, but it's an old one. I don't know if it's relevant anymore. So I'll always start at the 4 hour for a big trend line on Bitcoin. So as you can see, the 4 hours respecting it quite nicely. It kind of faked out. So what you'll see here is it faked out here. A lot of people got fucked in the ass here, right? Because it faked out and they thought, okay, we're breaking the trend line, we're going down. But it broke back in. And if you look on the lower time frames, it actually makes sense. Go back to maybe the 30 or the 15. You can see it broke out, kind of retested it, and then impulsively broke back into the range. And now it's back on the inside of the trend line, testing it. So now we're back on the inside, which is interesting. We're back on the inside of this shit. Drop a sub if you guys aren't subbed already as well. Friday subscription over here. What up, John, bro? My dude. What up, S? What ticker do you use? This is gold. I don't know, like ticker terminology. I'm just a Forex guy that happens to trade futures. What up, James? Would you say you're a scalper or a session trader? I don't know the difference, but I would say I'm a scalper within the session. Do you always take 85% partials? And yes. Yes, but today I'll probably have to do the... I don't have time. I keep forgetting to test out how to close partials with this futures account. So I'll probably have to hold the whole thing today. Bro, congratulate me, please. I'm getting a house keys next week. Excited. Congratulations, brother. I remember you were saying that. I thought you were going to sell it and put it all on longs or something. But that is pretty amazing. Good shit, bro. Good shit. All right, so we're edging us. This sell candle's edging us here. No one bust just yet. Let's just stay strong and let the edging continue. Let the edging continue. Yeah, yesterday was a flippin' wild day on gold. It dropped down 100 pips, then back up 100 pips. Like, that's 1, 2, 3, 400 pips basically in a session. So yeah, let's just see what goes on over. This is the first 15 minutes of the London session, obviously, so we'll see. We shall see. Sometimes on my Apex, my orders have failed sometimes. It depends if you're using a order limit or a market order. Like order limits, yeah, I don't know. I don't know. Sell cells in capitals. Yeah, I would love to just do that, but unfortunately I have to wait. Unfortunately. We get paid to wait. There's a lot of news today, is there? Okay, let's have a look over here. I didn't actually check news. I know it's never in the London session anyway. Wow. Okay. 6:15, the Euro news. We've got a lot of Redfold and Euro news. And GBP. We haven't got any US news, so I don't think the Euro news should affect gold too much, but it's good to take into mind. That's in 15 minutes, so interesting. But yeah, if we get a break below here, I'll be very interested in sells if we get a closure. Did you get a trade on live yesterday? No, we didn't get a trade on live yesterday. No, it just dropped 100 pips and then we're just like, to call it a day. That's a good idea, John. It'll just fucking stress me out having so many orders open though, that's all. Are you live on TikTok? No. Nah, I won't be going live on TikTok much anymore. It'll always be on Yui. It'll always be on YouTube. I don't know if I'll go live. They keep banning me. They keep banning me. What up, Born for Greatness? How many pips do you set your stop loss to? It's typically just like automatically we'll do it at 20 and then I'll adjust it accordingly. So this candle here closes in 40 seconds. If it can hang around where it is there and the next one retrace, I'm very interested in sells. So I'm just getting my platform ready over here on my end, just in case. Oh God. I'm just getting my platform here ready. 23. Oh, look at this. The last 10 seconds here, it wants to kind of reject up. We'll see if it can hold its ground or if it wants to reject up. Yeah, I'm pretty happy with this. I actually really like this. So I'm going to now need to wait a little bit and just see how this first minute of this candle opens up. And then, because I'm going to need some sort of wick to some regard, right? I can't just take an order now. If it starts to drop, it starts to drop. It's out of my control. I have to stick to my rules, right? I have to stick to my rules. What do you think about FTMO? FTMO is great. They've got a really good reputation. I don't use them in Australia anymore just because they lowered their leverage amount, but yeah, FTMO are good. Wait for the wick up in the next candle. Yep, exactly. Exactly. Yep. You guys are in a sell? Yeah, fair enough. I'm just going to need to wait for a bit more of a some sort of rejection of some regard. It could drop, but yeah, like I said, I have to wait, unfortunately. Not unfortunately, it's what saves my account. But yeah, clean traffic to the left-hand side. There's entirely a story for it to drop justifiably. But yeah, I gotta wait. You boys gotta wait. I would just love to see it flip green. Like, it hasn't really flipped green. It opened up and went green for a flash and just stayed red. I want to see it flip green. Just see if it has any issues, you know, bullishly. And then if it flips red again, bro, I'm in full margin. What are these other time frames saying? Hour. Let me look to the left over here. Oh, this is quite interesting. Over the left, look where we are. So you can obviously see the red line here where the market is onto where we are currently. There's a wick right there. Couple wicks right there, actually. That's quite interesting. Do your due diligence and actually look to the left. I think it's important. I think that's pretty important. But yeah, there's totally justifiable for it to drop here. But yeah, I just got to stick to my rules personally. What strategy to use? Just price action, breakouts, bounces, volume. Check the 15 minute. This is a 15 minute retest made already. No, that's not a retest. This was just when it opened up, it flipped green for like a second and then immediately flipped red. Like, that's not a retest for me. That's just a candle opening up and impulsively moving up. Like, a retest is if it like actually went up there and tried to break back into the range almost. And it was like, no, I don't want to be up here. And then it flipped red. That gives me confidence that at least we've tried. Right now, there's indecision. Like, it hasn't even tried yet. Maybe when it flips there, it's like, oh, fuck yeah, I like this way better. You know what I mean? But yeah. I'm going to have to just potentially wave it goodbye. Or what does your profit? What up, Chris? It's Friday, my dudes. No need to. I'm finishing the week on a fucking run. I've just been green every day. So I'm just going to stick to my rules. And that's literally, I'm green every day just by sticking to my rules. Right? And doesn't mean you miss some trades. Yeah, but they're not really missed trades. They're just not trades that were in your plan. So what's the range to this next support here? 26 pips. Yeah, fair enough. Where's that wick? Oh, it's smashed past that wick. Fair enough. Fair enough. You stream New York? Nah, I only stream London. London Open. Just London. Just the London session. Since I stick to your rules, I'm green too. Bro, amazing. Love that. Love to hear that, Grav. That's sick to hear. Every day. Don't you see any engulfing candle? I need more than just 1 or 2 confluences. I need to stack like 5 confluences before I take a trade. Because a lot of the time people are like, dude, didn't you see it tapped into a fucking... All right, let me pay attention here. So it did flip green for a second there. It retested up there. How long's the candle got? 9 minutes over here. I don't like it. I don't like it. What up, Evan? If it flips green again and then flips red, then I'll enter. But that, see how it flipped green for like a second? It was just a flash. Like I wanted to actually give it a decent little touch it up a little bit. Touch that shit up, son. Can you change up the music sometimes? This shit stays in my head now. Yeah, I will. I'll throw it at some, I'll switch it up a bit. It's like 7 different songs, bro. When it plays the whole thing, it's like fucking 20 minutes. But yeah, fair enough. Stick to your rules. Yep, absolutely. Hello from Bali. Oh, wow. Okay. Looks rough. I agree. Yeah. You just got to, because I always come to the market and I think, man, I need, before I enter, I already know what I want to see. Until I see that, let me just stay out, because I always lose when I trade not with exactly what I want to see. Like, it's really that simple. I agree. Always good to get more confirmation. Yeah. Just hit 1 to 2, ain't risking it. Yeah. Like, even the way it's moving here, like, it's like, you know, people have been in this trade now for like, we would have been in it for like 8 minutes now, just dancing around the entry point. I was like, eee. James! Bro! If that's the James stocks of all James stockses, fucking love you, brother. I'm literally in love with you. Let's go run through that farm again. Remember the farm near your old house? Oh, well, no, not a farm. It was like a fucking... it was like apple trees and shit. What up, Daniel from Dubai? What up? What up? What do you want to see? I might take a sell in a second. Let me have a look. No, we'll wait. Bro, James, crazy, bro. That's so fucking funny. Gold diggers, bro. Do you do something else beside trading? Yes. Old Logan home. Yes, man. That's fucking wild. That's so funny, man. Love you, brother. Hope you're doing well, man. Be good to catch up one day, actually. Yeah, I have a full-time job. Business development manager for a gas company. Yep. And people are like, dude, why don't you do trading full-time? I'm like, why would I do that when I can fucking... I have a work-from-home job that pays me well, that I actually enjoy. It doesn't get in the way of my trading. Then I can just trade after work. All right, so if we took a sell here, it'd be really shit right now. I'd be like, oh, god damn it. I knew I should have waited for more confirmation, right? There's one thing that I hate more than anything. I'll happily take an L. Like, I will literally happily take an L. But if I take an L because I didn't stick to my rules, bro, that eats me alive. That fucking eats me alive. Because I'm like, you idiot. Idiot, idiot. All you have to do was fucking stick to a few set of rules, right? Who can relate with that? But when you stick to your rules and you take an L, it's better. It's like, well, probabilities, I tried. Let me analyze this now to see if there was something that I missed. And that's it. Following you for a while now, getting better. Ah, amazing, Elvis. Sick. Make sure you guys are subscribed here, because I'll be live every day, gang. But if you're not subscribed, then you'll be in big trouble. All right, so it's candle close in 5 minutes here. I might put a sell order in. I'm going to put a sell order in here. I'm going to put a sell order in here, but it needs to drop in the next 2 minutes. It needs to drop in the next 2 minutes. That's the only stipulation. It needs to drop in the next 2 minutes. That's all. Because look, it wicked up here. We have a bit of time left on the candle. Yes. So, that's all. I'm going to give it 2 more minutes. One minute. I'm going to give it 1 more minute. You got 1 minute, candle. Don't fuck around, son. All right, I'm canceling it. I'm canceling the order. I don't like how it's projecting up. If it was going to go, it should have gone then. So let's just hang out for a second here. Thoughts on NQ? None. On Discord, I've explained yesterday how to deal with good and bad losses and short losses, bad winners, unplug, and wait till tomorrow. Absolutely. It's the best thing you can do. Close the computer down, wait till tomorrow. Come back tomorrow with a clear mind. Just go for a drive. Even get out of the house. Rules are rules, bro, and that's why I don't miss your live videos. Thank you, bro. Frank. Yep, rules are rules. It's about capital preservation than it is anything else. I have a thing. I can look at it right now. I have it drawn in a fucking marker on my mirror that says trade for tomorrow. It's about staying alive here, not getting stupid, so we're alive and able to trade tomorrow. It's going down or up. Fuck. My stop loss would have been above the previous candle wick. It would have been about there. If I got tagged in there, my stop loss would have been above this wick here, which I can just see right now would probably be about 16 pips. Let's see. Oh no, 20 pips. Perfect. Perfect. I thought we're supposed to buy when it's low and sell when it's high. Ah, Laura. But let me ask you this. How do you know when it's low or high? Right? How do you know? We don't. And that's where you lose trades, because you decide, hey, Mr. Market, I know now. I know what you're doing. This is your low point. I'm going to buy now. But you don't know it's the low point until it's back up in the high point, right? So that's essentially gambling, in my personal opinion. And it's, if you ask like high level traders, they'll say that that's one of the biggest mistakes that traders make, is they try to catch the bottoms and the tops of, you know, trends. It's like, nah. What's your profit taking system? I typically take 85% off at 15 pips in profit, depending on this market structure. Sometimes I hold, sometimes I take it 10 pips. Just, yeah. Sometimes I take it 40. Yeah, it all depends. But I always try to take off partials, move stops to break even, and let the 15% run. But today I won't be doing that. If we get a trade, I'll be holding the whole thing, because I keep fucking it up and I haven't tested how to not fuck it up. That's all. To this day. Head and shoulders. Yeah, I thought that as well, but I try not to get too caught up in that. But it is looking quite nice for a head and shoulders. Like, let's look in the 5 minute. It would look, yeah. Maybe I'll stick to 30 for that. 15, sorry. What's the 30? This is a 30-minute closure as well, you guys. So look at this. We just saved ourselves a loss there, you guys, by sticking to a strict set of rules, right? Waited for that breakout below. Didn't see what I wanted to see up here and just saved myself a loss here, right? Isn't that interesting? Isn't that interesting what sticking to your rules does? It keeps you alive in the game, my friends. That's all. I'm not trying to stick to these rules because I'm fucking scared to take a trade or whatever. You know, sometimes people are like, dude, you're just scared. And it's like, no, stupid. It's fucking what keeps me alive. So my stop loss would have just got hit then. That's a 30-minute closure. The 30 failed to break out over here. We've had 3 small 30-minute bodies. I don't really care what that means. I don't know what it means. I'm not going to get too conspiratory about it. You know, I would like the idea of an impulse buy here. I mean, sell here if this can break past, but you know, I would want this green candle to be outside of the breakout range, not with a tail. I would like a tail at the top end almost. Gonna have to wait a second. Let's see how this market wants to structure a little bit over here. 30 minutes ugly, skipping this. Yep. You know, there was a few people there in the chat that were like, nah, take a sell now. And I was like, I can't, bro. So them guys are probably, potentially, if they're scalpers, they might have got taken out there. What do wicks indicate? Not much. It just kind of tells you where the market's been, but it's all circumstantial, is what I'll say. What rule? Can you share that rule? What rule, brother? Dilawar, 100%. Yep. Just stick to the rules, my friends. Just imagine how much we have saved our losses, bro. Rules are rules. I love the patience. It's key. Yeah, exactly, Frank. And again, it's all just so we can show up tomorrow and trade with capital in our account. That's all. That's all. Because I had someone on the stream yesterday. She's like, why don't you just take the trade? And it's like, oh, sure. Let me just spend my real money for you, for your entertainment. It's like, no, we have to like literally stick to rules. It's a Daniel rule. If I had $1 every time Dan says, this, die. I've got to get a soundboard of that, right? Yeah, so I don't know what this candle's going to do. This candle here could drop. And I like the idea of impulse sell in circumstances similar to this. But again, it's not perfect. It's not the ideal type of setup for me. But I have seen the candle, I have seen price drop in these situations. It actually happened the other day. Let me see if I can show you. No, I'm not going to be able to find it. But yeah, it happened the other day. Basically exactly this exactly this setup. It almost looks identical. It almost makes me want to take a sell just because of that. But I've done that in the past where I've gone, oh, I've seen this exact thing. Listen to this, guys. I've done this before where I've seen this. So I can look at this right now and say this exact thing happened the other day. The market structure perfect, and it dropped and it kept dropping, which it looks like it might be doing now. But I've done that in the past where I've gone, oh, I've seen this exact structure here. I'm going to enter because I remember what happened last time, and it doesn't happen. And you go, well, why did that not happen? It's because right now we will never see candles printed exactly like this with the market sentiment exactly how it is, with the news, fundamentals, everything. Every second of every day in the market is unique. So never like judge or think this is going to happen because I've seen this before. It is different. What's a 30 looking like? Cool. 1 hour. Cool. 4 hour. Pretty interesting kind of double top over here on the 4 hour. But that can all change. If this were to flip, you'd be like, well, that's not a double top anymore. It's a fucking wick. Kaylin, no beer around for me. How about entering if this candle closes red? Good question. Yes. If this closes red, like around there, and the next one can wick up, yep, I'll be interested. I'll be interested in taking a sell about there. Yep. Yeah, I think I'll be interested in that. This 30-minute looks like what the yesterday looked like on the 4 hour. Like, look at that in that 30-minute. Remember that? And then look at the 4 hour yesterday before it melted. Looks pretty similar to this range here. Sort of. You're not on TikTok Live? Because they always ban me. So we just stick to YouTube Live. And I say in all my TikTok streams, like, bro, I won't be here. Like, because they always ban me. And they did. They banned me again. Like, they banned me from going live for a while. So I'll stop going live on TikTok. I might do it once a week, if that. But live on YouTube every day. So make sure you subscribe to Daniel Holmes Trades live on YouTube every day. If the red candle breaks the previous green wick up, then enter. That's a pretty good question. No, I would need to wait for it to close. If I would like that for a buy if that happened though. Like just say this comes up and closes like that. Yeah, I'll be interested in a buy. Next one wick down and then flip for sure. But right now, even looking at the 30, if you're interested in taking sells, it's like, yeah, be a tough one to catch. Tough one to catch and like justify it in your own head. Like, oh yeah, this is like making perfect sense to take a sell here. Going in on a retest? What do you mean? What retest? Fair enough, James. Fair enough. Yeah, sell if this one closed below the zone. Yeah, I'd still be interested if this one were to close. Create a bit of support. Got a closure. If the next one were to wick up to some regard and then start to push, take a sell out there for sure. Take a sell like just past that wick here to the left. But let's see. It looks like it wants to drop. So we'll see. We shall see. It's funny how something looks like it's something until it's not. Until it flips the other way or something like that. And it's like, oh, well, there goes that thing that I thought it was. Took a small L on that one, but it's all right. Manage losses. Oh, nice. You were able to manage that one, John. Good, good, good. Yeah, I was standing down on this one, I think. Were you taking a sell there, John, or a buy? Man, if I have time, I'll really want to find what this presented the other day on London. It looked exactly like this. Who do you think will take the classic Mr. O? Is Bumstead? Yeah, he's retired, isn't he? Wow. Yeah, I'd have to wait till it gets a bit closer. I'm not up to date with the I'm not as up to date with the bodybuilding scene these days. DXY is dropping, someone said. Who said that? It's been dropping a lot. Oh, let's have a look on the daily. Did it drop past this major level? Oh, it did drop past that major level. Look at this major daily support level here that it's just dropped past. What's the next one? Right here. Fuck. This could drop, you guys. This could absolutely melt. Interesting. I'll be honest. I used to always roast guys that were like, dude, look at the dollar. And I never will because I never want to get too like in my head. But it is interesting to see the correlation sometimes. It is interesting to see the correlation. So look at this, failed to drop as well. Well, it's failing. There's still 5 minutes. A lot can happen in 5 minutes. Don't you get bummed out when you see 1K people on TikTok and 250 here? Yeah, but I'm different to you, Will, and I'm different to a lot of people, which is people get discouraged so easy and they have zero gratitude. Will, do you realize I had 0 viewers a couple months ago? 0. And most trading streamers have like max 50. The well-known ones get like 100. I'm sitting here with 258 people. How fucking insane that is, bro. If anything, I'm extremely grateful. Do you think I'll get bummed? And not to mention that, TikTok is just like randoms. It's just like weird, like a lot of weirdos. It's not like people that are actually really interested in trading. So no, fuck no. Fucking loving it, bro. If I thought like that, I would get nowhere in life. And so many people think like that. They're like, oh, it's like, oh, right. Not gonna lie, your lives are the highlight of my days. Oh, Laura. And I say it all the time. Doing this is my highlight as well. I get to sit here with people that are interested in the same thing that I am. Just passion about trading, man. Amazing, amazing. Really enjoying your content. Thank you, Damien. Appreciate you, bro. Took an L on a sell here. That's all right. Let's be patient, you guys. We'll get another opportunity over here. I stopped looking at the dollar a long time ago. I've seen the dollar go up in news. Yeah. You can start getting in your head too much about it, I believe. Keep it up, brother. Thanks, Carl. For sure. Daniel the goat. Hitch the goat. Yep. So again, another thing of just simply sticking to the rules over here, you guys. Damn, I might be interested in buys in a second here. But this candle closes. So again, fucking rules. This candle closed in 3 minutes. I'm gonna have to wait. It could push up here. Yeah, TikTok is full of trolls. Yeah, I like just the quality of the audience is like, obviously you're gonna get crazy views, but that's all right. We can just keep growing on YouTube as well, and that's up to me. I'll start putting out more longer format actual video content and stuff, which I'm planning to do this weekend, and just keep building from there. But yeah, like I said, man, do you know how rare it is to have like a trading stream, to have more than just fucking 5 people just chilling with you? It's insane. I'm extremely grateful. Buys on the 30 close will be definitely ideal, but I'm gonna wait a second here. I want to see how this 15 closes. It closed in 2 minutes over here. Could be quite interesting. This guy's patience. Right. That's what it's all about. Thank you, Will. Definition of patience pays. Absolutely, man. Yeah. Oh. Why they ban you? They just automatically flag trading content. And I think I spam it too much by saying everyone come to YouTube. Protect your accounts a lot. Protects our accounts a lot. Yeah. It blows my mind when people in the chat say, oh yeah, like this, like they reference something that they learned from watching the stream. I'm like, wow, that's insane. That's amazing, man. It's amazing. Once TikTok's up, we'll have more in here. But bro, this is still the most I've ever had in here. I got 250 live viewers. Like I didn't have shit all like a week ago. I had like average 70. Like it just keeps going up with or without TikTok. Green Hammer looks nice for buyers. Are you? Oh, Mohammed, I actually remember. I remember your name. You nearly fucking triggered me there. You nearly triggered me, my friend. You nearly triggered me. Right? Ms. Patience from Rwanda. Exactly, Carolina. Because you're OG. All right, we've got 50 seconds over here for this candle close. We've got 50 seconds later, gentlemen. 50 seconds before the candle closes. There's a lot of people stressing out right now that took sells when they seen this impulsively move down, and now they are stressing out, ladies and gentlemen. We stayed patient, on the other hand, stuck to the rules, and we preserved our capital. Right now, not only are we planning to preserve our capital, but we're actually planning to add to it. So in order to do that, and higher the probability of such, we need to wait for this candle to close. Close. Fuck, I wish this was a 30-minute closure, but it's not. The 30's still open, unfortunately. Very pretty, it's almost suspiciously pretty. Right? Where in Nix today? Where is Nix today? Hello, Danny. How does the strategy work when to enter the trade? I'll call it out when it arises, my brother. Why don't you show pip number? Because it doesn't matter. Like, if you're looking at the same thing as I am, you can see them key areas. And it's uglier on the screen. Like, if I do that, I have to squeeze the screen in and stuff. Yesterday, Muhammad got your nose when he asked whether you were you. Bro, who was there? Someone asked me, how do you get into reading? Fuck, that triggered me. How do you get into reading? Look at words on a book? Where is Cow Juice guy? What up, Paul? All right, I'll tell you something, you guys. I would love to see this candle here close like this. Fuck, that would be absolutely stunning. And then the next one week up. See ya. What's a 30 look like? Because it looks a bit too pretty for me. Smaller bodies over here. If this was a... we're in a tricky spot. Because these two green candles are separate 15s. They don't engulf as a 30. Which throws a spanner in the works a little bit. But we'll see. We'll see. Let's not try to think about it too much. And just let it show us some stuff. Yeah, I agree, Frank. Bro, how much time have you been in prop firms since I started? Have you had been? Since I started. I started with props. James, bro, I'll see you later. Get deets next time. 100%. Yep, for sure, brother. Love you too, man. Talk soon. Talk soon, bro. What up, Mark? I love the way you laugh. Okay. Oh, fuck. I love the way you lie. Is it nighttime yet? No. Baby, your love is my medicine. Oh, man. Broke neck syndrome over here. Alright, so what do you want to do over here, Mr. Candle? What's this range in between here? 26 pips, okay. What are your thoughts around the charts towards the end of the session yesterday and what happened afterwards? Yesterday during the London, dropped 100 pips, went up another 100. Pre-New York, dropped down 100. And then New York open session, it went up another 150 or something like that. So there's no real thoughts. It's just, it is what it is. That's what markets do. They go up and down and try not to think too much about it, to be honest. Trying to think about too much about it, to be brutally honest. Hey, you guys, if you're not subscribed, please drop a subscribe. I'll give you everything. I'll pay you to subscribe. Bro, you're lucky you started with prop though. Well, I only did it because I was like, man, there's no way I'm investing my real money, but I still want to feel the emotional side of trading. So I'm going to, the reason I didn't take buys here, you guys, is I got 1, 2 green candles, but they're both small body. The bodies tell me a lot, right? The bodies tell me volume. And, if this green candle here were to break about here and then it rejected down and flipped, I'd be interested. But because it closed a small body, I'm like, I'll pass. But let's hang out here. What's this 30 looking like? 30's kind of engulfing a little bit. We've still got time. The good thing about time is we have it still. So let's just be patient, my friends. Your love is my medicine. Let's do some text here. Buys above. And the cool thing is if this does push past here, the next buy above zone is fucking close as. The next buy above zone is close as. Give some green screen action. What do you be doing after taking a trade? Be on charts, monitoring, or no? As in, while the trade's still open? Yeah, when the trade's still open, I'm on the charts managing the trade. But if I take a trade, you know, my rule is 2 trades a day. If I'm done with my 2 trades, I close the charts down, and I don't even fucking look at them again. I do not look at the charts because, bro, it will mesmerize me back into a trade. And that's where I get burnt. And then I'm like, no, I just get my profits back. Or I just lost even more. Let me try and get it back. And I'll take another trade. And then it just spirals out of control, bro. So a rule for me is, if I'm done, I'm done. I can't even look at the shit on my fucking screen because it'll suck me in. It'll suck me into another trade. I'm not liking this range at all. Punch too much Asia. Yeah, we had a lot of volume, Asia. We could dick around here for the London sesh. Would you please make another video on rules and everything we need to trade strategy? I need guidance. Join the Discord on Sunday in the Discord. Yeah, this is something to tell you guys. On Sunday in the Discord, we're going to do a seminar together. Closed group seminar on Zoom. And we'll go through some stuff about strategy. So make sure you're there. It'll be really good. Last week was fucking fire. I'm happy though, since I've been patient enough. Someone somewhere is sweaty in there right now. Yeah, like most sellers just here got taken out, obviously. Most sellers got taken out here. That's all right. Let's just be patient. But like I said, if we do get a break above, you know, if once it keeps moving, the next range is like literally right there. And that's a better range. Like this is a fucking way better range. 30 still open. What's the 1 hour look like? Ooh, not bad. Before pre-London, I was like, wow, this looks like this is forming very similar to what's happening here. Like it's kind of mimicking each other, right? Not that that means much, but yeah. And what looks like a double top is now turned into something different. I'll bring a Bible on Sunday. We can try and get into What's reading? What's making a phone call? I'm at work Sunday. Oh, all right, bro. That's all right. That's all right. Keach, I don't know if you've seen in the Discord. We'll catch up tomorrow about the prop account as well. Looks like a Head and Shoulders. Well, that's what we were saying before, but that was when it was like this, and this was the right shoulder here, right? What do we got? Unless you know anyone that has the fucking 2 right shoulders. My whole thing is with patterns is like, you want it to be hella clean. If you're going to take a pattern into consideration, it needs to be like clean. It needs to be like, oh, straight up, lower low, high low, lower. Because you guys do realize what a Head and Shoulders is. It's a higher high, higher low, higher high, lower low. So the right shoulder is meant to be lower than the left shoulder. And then a lower high. So the right high is lower than the head. And then the idea is it drops from there, right? Because it's essentially just a change of structure. That's all it is. Right? And that's a lot of things in trading. A lot of things have this different terms for the same shit. It could all change so quickly though. Absolutely. Sweet, Kitch. All good. Sunday London open time. Yep. Sunday London open time in the Discord. We'll do a webinar together, gang. It'd be really good. All right, so we're good over here. We're touching into this range here. 30 minutes still open. 15 looks like that. 1 hour looks like that. I am relatively interested. If this 15 can close, I mean, if this 30 can close similar to what it is now, like here, the next one wicks down and pushes, I might take a buy about there. I like how it looks on the other time frames as well. But 5 minutes, a lot can happen in 5. You're not annoying. Make sure you subscribe, my gang. Make sure you guys are subscribed. That double top is turned into a pin sign reversal. Yeah, sometimes it actually does a double shoulder. Oh, sometimes it does do a double shoulder over here. Okay, yeah, I'm not well equipped with the old fucking Head and Shoulders over here. I'm just interested in Bitcoin. It's just so out of control at the moment. I think I'm invested in the strategy for gold. Great strategy for gold. But it's great, but you have to pay attention to the nuances of it. Small things that save you from unnecessary losses. Like here, what happened down here? We did get that breakout, but there were certain things that happened with this candle that kept me out. And then look, a lot of FOMO traders would have entered on this candle because it looked like it was going to do it on this candle. Like there's just small things that like I have to wait for these specific things. Otherwise, I don't have confidence in entering the trade. Right? And the same thing happened here. Yes, it moved up, but I didn't like that these candle bodies were so small. Right? They didn't have much of a top wick, and then it just kind of whatever. That's all right. Just candle close here in a couple minutes. Let's see what happens over here. Too rush. Bro, you didn't show up yesterday. Bro, I did show up yesterday. Were you here? Clearly not, because I was here, brother. I was in the hot seat, using all my brain power to try and find a quality setup. Why did you not go live? Bro! Was it a hologram, or who the fuck was here yesterday in the hot seat? Hi, if you took a buy, what would be your take profit? I don't know. I'll have to think about it. Definitely this wick fill. Definitely a wick fill here. And then maybe move stops to break even. Let the rest run. FOMO got you today. Fair enough, Johnny. Fair enough, brother. Back to the drawing board. I was definitely feeling it yesterday, late yesterday, just seeing the market go up and down so many pips. I was like, ooh, fuck, I'm feeling it. But there was just no opportunity for me personally. Bro, I got a grid bot running on Solana right now, doing really well. Yeah. That BTC trade was so ridiculous. Like, just ridiculous. Like I said, I actually entered earlier and it took me out, and then I re-entered and I got that fucking massive one. So I wasn't huge profits because I did get taken out the first time, but we're going long. We'll see. 2 minutes to the closing. 1 hour candle, 30-minute and shit like that. So a lot can happen. All-time highs. Yeah, I said early in the week or even late last week, I was like, man, I feel like we're going to hit all-time again. I'm not the predicting guy, but yeah, I don't know. Amazing, Nathan. That's good, bro. Good shit. Any tips on BTC? I don't. I wouldn't have any. My bias is long term, like, you know. But we'll see. Elite green screen, bro. Shoot, my bad. I didn't know you showed up, bro. We were here on the hot seat. Where were you, my friend? We were here doing the goddamn. Which strategy you use? I used the forbidden ancient Hebrew freaking X1 series 5_ strategy. In order to obtain it, you have to bench 400 kilos, run 20,000 miles without water, and have a 97-inch schlong. Fuck. Righto. Oh wow, the sky's very red. How crazy does the sky look, you guys? Oh, you can see lightning just struck then. Wow. Nah, the color does no justice on the camera. In real life, it looks fucking pretty crazy. All right, this candle's about to close over here. That's good to hear, John. Good man. What's the longest you've held a position? Pretty long, but it doesn't work out well for me. I'm not a swing trader. I'm a flat earther. Could you please phrase... You guys are fucked. All right, I like this. Let's have a look here. Let's have a look. All right. I'm going to take a trade based off the 1 hour. But I'll tell you what I need to see first. I need to see this wick here but I need to let it touch a couple times. I can't take the trade on just a flip. It might leave. I don't know. Bro's got the best in green screen fills. It's not a green screen. What green screen can have fucking beautiful thunder lightning in the background? What green screen can change every stream slightly? None. So like I said, I need it. Two things can happen. It can either just leave or whatever, but I'm asking a lot from it because it isn't an A++ just yet. It's a bit tricky. I need it to flip green and then come back red. And then when it flips green again the second time, then I'll be interested. My brothers. Just put 100 USD trying to build up 100%. Like every day, a lot of talk, zero results. Well, then why are you here, loser? It's time for a super green stream. You change the colors. Random's going to Google searching ancient Hebrew strategy. All right, I like that a little bit. I'm just going to let it breathe a little bit over here. I'm going to let this breathe for a second. I would love to see it tap a little bit more. Insane view. Thank you. Yeah, it's pretty nice. He found the strategy in a cave in the hill. Exactly. And then TikTok banned me for telling where I found the strategy. Dude, way better. Got a nice view. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Drop a subscribe for the view, gang. Oh, lightning going crazy. All right, the lightning's striking. That means trades are kicking in over here. I'm going to let this tap one more time. I know I'm asking a lot from it, but I need to do it. I'm asking a lot. I'll be honest. It could definitely go, but I need to let it test one more time and then flip red again. I'm sorry. I just have to, unfortunately. It could definitely go, and I just have to be like, well, it is what it is. It is what it is. All right, I like that. I'm going to put a buy stop up here. Can I quickly do it? Oh no, my other fucking thing. I'm going to put a buy stop up near the top wick. I wouldn't suggest anyone do this. If you guys like, dude, I want to trade as well. This isn't like a textbook setup for me, but I do like it on the 1 hour. Oh shit, I just got triggered in there. One of the orders is small accidentally. It's only 13. The other one's decent size. All right, so let me just adjust this. My stop loss is at 20 pips. First thing, as usual, is to manage stop loss. So I'll take off 50% if I don't like how it's looking. If it starts to go down towards its bottom wick, I'll take off 50%. 6, 11. Oh my god. Let me just adjust this. If it starts to go down towards the bottom wick, I'll be looking at taking off 50%. And that's it. That is all, folks. Yeah. Which floor? 18. 19. Do you want my address? No way, not take a textbook. It's textbook. It's not like... Sorry, I shouldn't have said textbook. I mean, it's not like... You won't see me take an entry like this much on stream because I'm basing this mainly off the 1 hour. That's all. No, I haven't figured out... I haven't practiced how to take partials, to be honest. I haven't even practiced. But yeah, I'll be definitely looking to manage this trade. That's the main thing. That's the main goal. Crazy storm coming in. Wow. That is crazy. Looks like yesterday again will drop down. Oh, well, hopefully not, because I'm in a buy. Hopefully not. Kind gentlemen, don't curse our Himalayan ancient Hebrew strategy like that. What's your volume size? 23 micros on a 100K account. Have you backtested the 1 hour? Yeah, of course, of course. It's just not a setup that I would see a lot or I would take a lot. I'm not. Yeah, that's all. But I do. Yeah, I like how it looked. I like how it looks on the 1 hour. I like how it looks on some of the other time frames on the 30. Got a nice test back into this range. Obviously, there's a pretty strong level of resistance here. If we can punch through that, we should get a decent push. Past some of these wicks would be great. I'll be looking to manage if we can get past those wicks. If not, my main thing is I'm just thinking about how I can manage it if it starts to look ugly. That's all. I don't really care about anything else. I just want to manage it if it looks ugly. The goal isn't to win or lose. The goal is to show up, execute the playbook, and then repeat, rinse and repeat. Where's the stop loss? I don't know. Take profits up here somewhere. I'll take it before there because I don't know what I'll do. I'll manage it. I'll manage it. You can see where my shit is. Look, you can see where it's all at. You can see it all, my friends. That's the beauty of live trading. You can see it all. That is the beauty of live trading. Not many will do it. Not many will do it. But, not many, if any. Nice. Getting a good little push here. Now, don't be lame and actually break through these wicks. Don't be like these other bitches. Like, just like, no, we can't do it. We're too scared. We are not scared. Aiming for all-time high. See, right? Wonder where Chappie is? Yeah. Do you recommend funded account over personal funds? Yeah, if you still learn, I think a cheap funded account is a good idea. What's NinjaTrader? It's the trading platform I use with my Apex account. Can you look at the 4 hour? I know what the 4 hour looks like. It's flipping green, is it? Yeah. So it's a pretty key rejection area that it is at right now. Really would want to see it break past this level. Really would want to see it break past this level. Good little push there. I might look at taking size. Oh, I can't fucking take size off. God damn it. I might have to just hold it. I guess I'll just have to commit, right? Looks like I'm fucking, looks like I'm locked in. I might have to hold this freaking trade. I'm forced. I've been forced into submission. Have you lost challenges before? Bro, so many. We talked about this yesterday. Like, it's not even a question. Yeah. You always secure profits instead of partials. I know, that's why I'm like, I'm not even going to try today. I guess I'll just have to hold. I might secure at like 15 pips. I'll see. If it gets there. Again, the main thing is just to manage drawdown. That's all. The trade's not over just because you're in a bit of profit. I'm going to wait for a slight pullback. Rhythmic? Yeah, it's a Rhythmic account. I don't even know the difference. You're at 1 hour resistance. You are at 1 hour resistance, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, we're at 1 hour resistance. Yeah, I know. Try changing the order quantity value. You can just click, drag, and drops. Yeah, I don't know. I'll figure it out. I could obviously do it just on a demo account, but I just haven't had time. That's the only thing. If my challenge failed yesterday, didn't realize that the loss limit includes live. Yeah, I know, it's annoying. I've been done like that as well. I have a trailing drawdown. So I could see this closing. I could see this coming back and potentially closing red. That won't scare me too much. If anything, that could be a good little bit of structure formed, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, good freaking little push there. Wow, this fucking cloud looks crazy. You guys can't tell. Holy shit. All right, I'm looking to close shortly. Let's see. Give us a bit of a push. Is there a wick here to the left? Sort of, not really. I'll tell you what I'm going to do. I'm going to move my stops to break even, you guys. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to move my stops to break even. I think if it's going to go, it should be able to go now. Right? And if it comes back, then I'm like, I'm not testing it coming back into this range. Because did you notice I got in this range here? So if it breaks back into this range, I don't think it has too much business being back in the range now. So I'm going to move stops to break even. Wow, crazy storm. Yeah, see this? Yep, I just got taken out at break even. I don't think it has too much business being back in here. I could be wrong, but there's a minute left for this candle. I think that was a good idea. I think that was a good save right there. Crazy. To be brutally honest, I probably would have taken 85% up there as well, but I don't know how to fucking do it. I was too scared that I'll close the whole thing. Tradeovate is awful. Good, because I'm not using them. 100% composure. Always, my friend. That's 15 pips, Dan. Was it? Did I get up to 15 pips? The highest I seen it was 13. God damn it. All right, let's see. So is this a 30 closure? No. Okay, small body here. What does a 30 look like? Still open. 1 hour. It looks still good on the 1 hour. But yeah, I would have been stressing out right now knowing this 15's closing and it looks like it's not breaking out of this range. I would not have wanted to be stuck in that. I think we just made a good decision. We as in me. Holy shit. Storm City. Now we buy. I don't know about that. I'm just going to hang out for a second, see how this closes. Baby, I'm crazy. But that was a good save. That was a good save, I believe. Beautiful. Beautiful save right there, you guys. Gave it a couple chances to break further. Nah, didn't want to do it and really just manage that trade right there. Manage that trade right there. Because now that we're still in this range, this might want to test down. Even if it does move up, it might want to test down, and that test down could take me out. Why don't you just market sell however much you want to close? Because I swear I've done that before, Eric, and it opened up a sell position. I closed on 40 pips, so got taken out at BE. Did you enter that one as well, John? Is that what you're saying? 30 still open, hours still open. Very wiki area, you guys, hey? But that was a beautiful... I'm really happy with that. Even to be able to show... Even if it goes now, like to be able to show that that was a good management. Because most of the time, if it breaks back into the range, it might want to dance in here still. And again, it's all about capital preservation. Nice, John. Sick. Yep, BE, we just great management there. I'll tell you what, man, if this can fucking flip red, if this can close red, that'd be beautiful. But again, like I said, if it does shoot up, then that happens. But in most cases, if a fucking candle comes back down and closes within the range, it's like, that's not a good sign if you're taking buys. Broker name, where are you trading, bro? Broker name is Apex Funded Trader. Check Discord. Oh, what do you guys got over here? Bro! Oh, fuck, I've got to save that. That's fucking hilarious. Oh, look at this. Supreme in the chat here is looking for sells. Oh, shit, I think we already bounced off there. You might have got taken out there. That's all right. That's all right. There's no dramas at all. It's all part of the game. Okay, we've got a push here. Whatever. What up, Eldor? Have you tried hedging, like if you had 25 contracts buys, do 21 contracts sells and 15? No, that's sounds way too stressful. What's your strategy? Just price action. Took a nice buy here on the 1 hour. It's probably going to go up now. Can you see how it makes sense here on the 1 hour though? Like we come up, kind of pull, come up, kind of pull back, came back down. Really pretty small body here. Wicked, at least we tested that range. Engulfed the previous one, retested this wick, and then flipped. It made sense on the 1 hour. I think I got out at a really smart point. Even if it does go up, most of the time that won't be the case. If a candle fails to break out, it will typically come back into the range and dance around before it goes up. Daniel, why is your resistance not at the near resistance to your left? I'm assuming you mean this part. I used this and this, and I just put it somewhere in the middle. My immediate to the left resistance point is always the key focus, which is right here. But I did take this into consideration, so I put it a little bit higher than I usually would. And look, it got respected perfectly. It's all about capital preservation. Absolutely, man. 100%. Like, yeah, like, unfortunately here it wants to move up. But if I was holding this, I'd be like, God damn it, I might have even closed in a small loss. If this broke back into the range and I was still holding, I literally might have closed it with a small loss, knowing that there's a probability that this is going to dance around before it goes up. Got in and out. Not great execution, but got my rags. Thank you. Oh, you took some profits. Yeah, I wish I did take some profits. Oh, I don't know how to, but yeah, it's all right. Bro, you get green Lambo. Yeah. Didn't you know I had a green Lambo, you guys? Like, what more evidence do you need? Oh, that's funny. Those who trade FVG, that's where it would turn around for you. No. Let's have a look here. What's a 4 hour? How long has a 4 hour got? 30 minutes. 30 minute. What does a 30 minute look like? Fuck, I would love this to come back and close red. No, it doesn't want to. It doesn't want to. It doesn't want to. Doesn't want to. Again, although this time it didn't work, I moved to break even, which was about there. It tapped me out by like a pip. And it's like, oh man, what a shame. Look, it kept going up. I know, bro, over 1,000 trades, that behavior saves me, man. It saves me so much more than it works out for my benefit. And it wasn't like it went up once and I was like, oh, break even. I let it breathe a little bit. I let it breathe. I let it breathe a little bit. I'm going to call it there, you guys. I might hang out a little bit off stream, but I'm going to need to wait for some candles to print now because this is moving up to this next range, which is here. So I'll be paying attention to this next zone now. I know that the 4 hour closes in 30 minutes. Took a buy there. Good opportunity. Save a break even. Bro, do you know what's so much better than fucking break even? What's so much worse than break even? A loss. Like that, a break. If you can walk away at break even after trading, that's fucking amazing. Why not try demo? You are free now. Wow. And this is what I was trying to get a bit of, get my hands on, was this move here. I wonder if anyone took that trade here and is still holding. I wonder if anyone took that trade and is still holding. Ah, that's a fucking shame, isn't it? I'm not even joking, you guys. I got hit by 1 pip. It was 1 pip that took me out at BE. Because look, it didn't even wick down. My entry was like right there. Huh. Nice stream, mate. Yeah, easy as, guys. You guys, if you're not subscribed, and on Sunday, we're going to do a Discord in the... Oh, you're still holding there, Caspers. Nice. We're going to do a seminar in the Discord on Sunday, gang. So make sure you're there on the Discord. We'll go through some shit together. You close my... Oh, you got profits? Okay, dope. Awesome. Awesome. All right, my bros. I appreciate you guys a lot. And I'll catch up with you guys on Sunday or on Monday on stream.